Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll be delving into the warmth of adjusting your mouse sensitivity on your Windows computer. I assure you, this will be a straightforward guide, so let's dive right into it. To begin, let's open up the Start menu. Simply navigate to the bottom left corner, click on the Start button, and type in mouse. Hit Enter or click on the best matched result for mouse settings. Once you've landed on the mouse settings page, hold down the left mouse button on additional mouse options. A new window will pop up. Within this window, click on Pointer Options. Here, you have the power to fine-tune your pointer speed and enhance precision by checking the box labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. It's as simple as that. Adjusting these settings will determine how fast or slow your mouse responds, tailoring it to your preference. A quick click on OK will apply your changes. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, I look forward to catching you in the next tutorial. Until then, happy computing!